Cards in tin and thread, wind up dreams inside our heads. We sway in sparks, we spin in sand. Clockwork feet on a laughing land. Left foot light, right foot gold. Rusty rhythm, stories told. Eyes like moons, we blink in time. Little machines learn how to shine. Hey, turn the wheel, hey, feel the sound. Gears go wild, we spin around. Hey, tap the ground, hey, lose control. Dust with moving souls. Copper smiles, paper skin, old world magic humming in. Steam in lungs, bells in bones, dancing home on rolling stones. We tilt, we glide, we click, we sway. Shadows wobble in ballet. Every step a spark of play. We dance the night into the day. Hey, turn the wheel, hey, feel the sound. Gears go wild, we spin around. With moving souls. Tiny storms in glassy eyes, gleam of stars in iron skies. Wheels roll slow, then race the light, taking joy into the run. Metal hearts beat just for fun. Every glitch becomes a grin. Let the strange parade begin. Hey, turn the wheel, hey, feel the sound. Gears go wild, we spin around. Hey, tap the ground, hey, lose control. Paint the dust with moving souls. Clockwork breath, we rise, we fall. Gentle noise inside us all. Not alive, not quite alive.